Hello everyone, my name is Kun. Today we'll talk about the EV market in China. The market for EVs in China has grown significantly over the last few years, with EVs consisting of nearly one-third of all new vehicles sold. Contrary to the market of other countries in China, consumers demonstrate a preference for market innovation over discounted prices. Hence, the research competitors in the EV market have the potential to provide value to both practitioners and policymakers in China. The manufacturing, licensing, and ecosystem components of the EVs are all digitally driven, with market competitors and policymakers needing to understand the ecosystem instance and the wages of sustainable business model innovation for this industry to be one of long-term value. The aim of this research is to understand how ecosystem collaboration and SBMI jointly drive competitive advantage in China's EV market. It pursues three objectives. First, the research investigates the role of collaboration in disassembling the black box of competitiveness that has arisen in the industry with the emancipation of the EV in China. Second, the study seeks to understand the value that is formed, delivered, and captured by the Chinese EV manufacturers by utilizing SBMI. Third, the research examines the employed SBMI and the collaboration for the maintenance of a soft, sustainable advantage in systems with technology and concurrent ecosystems with systems and wages model. The literature on business ecosystems documents how interdependent actors co-create value over time through the evolution, their loss, sharing of platforms, and the deployment of coordination mechanism in the context of SBMI. Sustainable business models are defined as those that reconfigure the value creation, delivery, and the capture processes to achieve simultaneous environmental and economic gains. Recent studies on the EV sector in China explain how SBMI is important for the mediation of the relationship between competitive strategies and firm performance, underscoring its centrality. The study examines secondary data from case studies of leading Chinese EV companies such as BYD, NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, SAIC, and FinDreams. Battery data sources include company annual reports, ESG sustainability reports, company official websites, and major industry reports from IEA, BNEF, and McKinsey. Data were analyzed from a thematic approach using a combination of open coding to build themes focused on collaboration, SBMI, and competitive advantage. The findings confirmed findings of deep ecosystem collaboration, including value chain and integration of vehicle and battery systems, charging and swap networks, data systems, and policy collaboration at the same time. Companies SBMI was low carbon product design, circular battery systems, mobility as a service, and data and analytics. These structures of collaboration provide the resources and infrastructure to enable SBMI as the sustainable business model further deepens the value thickness of ecosystem. The research has determined that the collaboration of ecosystems and SBMI are dual reinforcing factors. Competitive advantage of the EV industry in China. Collaborations with SBMI suppliers, infrastructure operators, technology partners, and government is a positive contributory of fostering sustainable and digital innovations. Consequently, SBMI enables firms to cultivate monetization of the ecosystem in the form of subscription services, circular economy thesis, and enhance user experience. Hence, Chinese EV makers are competing on integrated solutions and unlocking value at outset to solely on hardware specification and engaging in the price war. Now I will make some recommendations. Price competition of Chinese EV firms should shift to strategic focus on technology and service, need differentiated offerings as it is innovation and manufacturers that the consumers heavily lean towards in order to stabilize costs and user convenience. They should deepen partners around charging battery services and circular systems. over investment in cockpit connectivity, autonomous driving ecosystems, and partnership in software are deemed necessary in order to consolidate China's leadership position in the global EV markets. It is essential that policymakers continue integrated support on standards, infrastructure, and green incentives.